is the reason kung bakit natin ginagawa tong best laptop na ito? Well, baka makatulong to kasi ito yung mga mabebenta dito sa Laptop Factory. So there will be 4 categories. We got the budget level, the mid-level, gaming, and the premium. Hindi namin to binase sa aking feeling or emotion na, ito maganda to. No. This is actually based on numbers. Kung gaano karaming yung mga customer na nag-i-inquire at bumili sa amin. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Tito Dustin. So, last time, gumagawa kami ng video ng best laptop of 2023, 2024. Napansin namin na there's no sense of doing that. Yung last year na hina-highlight namin ay hindi na available this year. So, ang ginawa natin is we did the best laptop per quarter para kahit paano, maabutan nyo pa yung mga laptops na available. Ngayon, we've done the best laptop of Q1, which is January, February, March. Now, what we're doing is we're gonna do a video of the best laptops this April, May, June, or which is the Q2. Because yung mga laptops na sasabihin ko, some of them are available pa dito sa Laptop Factory. What is the reason kung bakit natin ginagawa tong best laptop na ito? Well, baka makatulong to kasi ito yung mga mabebenta dito sa Laptop Factory. So there will be 4 categories. We got the budget level, the mid-level, gaming, and the premium. So tara, tignan natin, baka makatulong sa inyo to. And malay nyo, nandito yung laptop na binili nyo sa akin. Let's start with the budget level. Ito yung mga price point ng mga below 30,000 and above. Ito yung mga ideal sa mga students or if you're in the tight budget. Kaya tinawag siya budget level. So third in our list would be this Acer Aspire Lite. The processor is Core 3. Core 3 is medyo bagong processor na eh. Hindi na siya yung i3. So Core 3 na and then 8GB of RAM with a 512 SSD. 14-inch. Ang maganda dito sa Acer Aspire Lite na ito, it comes with multiple colors. Meron nga siyang color pink. The reason why kaya naging mabenta siya, syempre there's a lot of varieties na pwedeng pagpiliin ng customer. And it already comes with a Microsoft Office Lifetime na bagay sa students. This price is around mga nasa around 29,000. Followed by, ang isa sa mga mabenta sa amin sa budget level is this Thunder Robot T-Book 15A. So, anong meron dito? Well, it's not a famous brand katulad na sinabi ko kanina, but isa to sa mga bestseller natin. This is already an i3. 8GB of RAM with a 256 SSD. Yes, medyo mababa ang SSD niya. However, yung pagiging aesthetic niya, it comes with a backlit keyboard and then yung dun sa top cover niya, yung parang may mga line siya na akala mo ZenBook yung binili mo. So, aesthetically, medyo mas maganda ang kanyang design. Yun nga lang, yung brand hindi kilala. Pero of course, if you're looking for a budget laptop, I think bagay na bagay sa inyo to kasi ang price point lang na to is currently around 23,000. Of course, the top one na pinakamabenta na budget laptop here in Laptop Factory is this HP Laptop 15. It is a Ryzen 3 with an 8GB with a 512 SSD and it comes with the Microsoft Office. As in, ang daming bumibili ng laptop na ito dito sa Laptop Factory. Well, ang bumibili na ito, definitely, yung mga on the tight budget, mga estudyante, because ang price point lang nito is only around 26,000. Para naman sa mid-level natin, ito yung mga price range ng 30,000 to 40,000. Ito yung mostly ginagamit sa mga work or sa mga productivity. Number 3 on our list, which is this Acer Aspire Go 14. The word Go, so mas portable and lightweight itong Acer na ito. The specification is Ultra 5, not Core 5 ha. Pag sinabi mong Ultra 5, medyo ito yung mga isa sa mga pinaka-high-end na processor. And it's already 8GB with a 512 SSD. Ang maganda dito, kahit Ultra 5 siya, yung presyo niya is hindi ganun kamahalan. With the price point is only around mga nasa 36,000. This is a lightweight laptop, kaya isa siya sa mga bestseller natin. For our number 2, for our mid-level, ito yung laging best laptop namin noong 2023, 2024, even 2025, which is HP Laptop 15. This is a Ryzen 5 7000 series with a 16GB with a 512 SSD. Ngayon, kaya ito naging bestseller nung mga last year or even ngayon is because may kasama tong GCash. Not to mention, this is already a 16GB RAM. Medyo malaki na kasi ang price difference if your laptop is an 8GB or your laptop is an 16GB. Kasi pag 16GB na yung laptop mo, medyo tumataas na yung presyo. At eto, hindi pa rin na-sacrifice yung kanyang presyo. For only 37,000, naka-Ryzen 5 ka na, 16GB, and meron pa silang kasamang GCash cashback. But mapapansin nyo, why is it only number 2 wherein dati number 1 siya? Well, because our number 1 for our mid-level ay walang iba kundi yung Acer Aspire R1 6X. Because this is already a Ryzen 7 8GB memory with a 512 SSD. Yes, 8GB lang yung kanyang memory, di katulad ng number 2 na 16GB. However, this is already a Ryzen 7. Pwede mo naman i-upgrade yung memory nito. With the price point for only only 35,000. Yung 35,000 na yun, actually, yun yung current SRP ngayon ng mga i3 o Ryzen 3. Pero dito, for 35,000, naka Ryzen 7 ka na. At syempre, Acer pa. Now, let's move on sa sa mga gaming laptops. So, currently what we have here, yung mga budget gaming laptops or yung mga laging nabibili sa aming gaming laptop. I'm sorry, we don't have a category of a premium budget gaming. Probably soon on a Q3 meron. But now, let's move forward. So, ano yung mga mabebentang gaming laptop ngayon dito sa Laptop Factory? Third on our list is this Asus TUF Gaming A15. AMD Ryzen 7 with 8GB of memory, 512 SSD, and an RTX 3050 for a price point of 55,000. So, bakit ito naging third on our list? Dito lang sa YouTube, ang daming nag-i-inquire ng laptop na ito. Not just in our YouTube, even on our different social media platform, ito ang laging ini-inquire sa amin kung may available na TUF Gaming. Ano ba meron kasi sa TUF Gaming? Well, it is a military grade and talagang pag tinignan mo yung itsura, akala mo Gundam. Medyo downfall lang yung kanyang memory, 8GB, but lahat ng sinabi ko, yun yung factor kaya siya binibili. For the number 2, this will be the Lenovo LOQ. It is a Ryzen 7, 16GB memory with a 512 SSD, and this is RTX 4050 with a price point of 60,000. Ngayon, mas mataas ang video card nito compared sa TUF na sinabi ko. 5,000 difference from 3050 to 4050. Alam niyo naman, pag LOQ is syempre, quality build din yan eh. But however, isa sa mga cons nitong LOQ, this is just only an LOQ essential. Kasi if you're looking for the primary LOQ, I think yung mga price point of 4050, baka mga nasa around 80,000 yan. But if you're looking for a budget LOQ laptop, ito yun. Kaya nga, ang daming bumibili nito. That's why it is number 2 on our best gaming laptops. Now, proceeding. For our best gaming laptop, we have this HP Victus 15 with the Ryzen 7 7000 series, 16GB of RAM, 512 SSD, and an RTX 3050. Price point ito is around mga nasa 55,000. The reason why kaya ito naging mabenta is because meron siyang Gcash na worth 3 to 4,000. Well, dati kasi ang Gcash niya mga nasa around 5,000. So, medyo bumaba, but there's still a Gcash. So, if ilalas natin yung Gcash niya, parang binibili nyo itong HP Victus na ito na mga nasa around 52,000. 16GB na ang kanyang memory and meron siyang kasamang Microsoft Office. And ang maganda dito sa HP Victus na ito, talagang gaming laptop ang itsura niya talaga. Hindi katulad ng number 2 na sinabi ko na LOQ Essential, parang IdeaPad Gaming. Ito, as in, gaming laptop talaga. And like the TUF. Now, for our premium laptop, ito naman yung nagpa-price range na mga 40,000 and above. So currently, we don't have enough premium laptops here on our Q2, but on our Q3, magkakaroon tayo because we are already restocking some premium laptops. But isa sa mga currently mabenta na premium laptop sa ating Q2 is this Tecno Megabook. It is already an i9 with 16GB of RAM, 512 SSD. Price point is around mga nasa 45,000. Ngayon, the reason why isa to sa mga bestseller natin sa premium laptop, hindi lang porket i9 siya. Well, i9 kasi ang price point niya naman nasa around 50 to 60. Dito, bibili nyo ng 45,000. But minsan kasi nagsisale tayo dito sa Laptop Factory. Minsan, binabandelan natin to ng printer, binabandelan natin to ng monitor, or even ng Tecno mobile phone. At minsan, nagpa-price drop to ng below 40,000. That's why we suggest that you also check our Blue App page kung ano yung current sale or promo natin. Number 2 on our premium laptops would be this Dell XPS. So this is already an i7, 16GB of RAM, 1TB SSD with an RTX 3050. Ngayon, pag sinabi mong XPS, mamahalin yan. Actually, ang pinakamababang presyo ng XPS, more than 100,000. Kasama pa yung video card, so talagang mas mataas ang presyo. But this XPS here in our Laptop Factory, kaya na siya nakasama sa top premium laptops natin because this is currently on 50% off. So, binibenta lang natin to ng 50,000. So, I think nasabi ko na lahat ng mga best laptops natin dito. Ngayon, if na-mention namin yung laptop nyo dito, you know, a like and a subscribe is really much appreciated. Ulitin ko, the purpose why we're doing this video, in case that you're undecided to buy a laptop, baka makatulong tong mga best laptops na sinabi ko. Hindi namin to binase sa aking feeling or emotion na, ito maganda to. No. This is actually based on numbers. Kung gaano karaming yung mga customer na nag-i-inquire at bumili sa amin. It's not my opinion, it's the opinion of the other customers. Ngayon, kung hindi nakasama yung laptop mo dyan, comment down below because, you know, it will also help the other customers natin na bibili ng laptop. So then again, this is Tito Dustin. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.